We started right here. And after everything we have seen inside this $170 million estate, the foyer, the kitchen, the dining room, the aquarium, the cinema, the secret library, the primary suite, we end right here too. Outside, on the water, with the Miami sky above us and Biscayne Bay stretching out as far as the eye can see. And I want you to take this in for a second, because this backyard is not a backyard. This is a private resort. That pool is massive, laid in a dramatic black and white checkerboard pattern with submerged in-pool sunbeds and underwater lighting that makes the water glow at night, running the full length of both sides of the pool. White chaise loungers, oversized sunbrella umbrellas, and multiple outdoor lounge zones with full white sectional seating, all perfectly spaced so every group has their own space. The elevated fire bowls on stone pillars line the pool perimeter on both sides, and the outer fire bowls you see here at the waterfront terrace, they stay burning. And look to the far left, a full tennis court and a covered pergola cabana structure for shade. Now look at the house itself from out here. 2 upper balconies on the second floor with black iron railings, 2 full outdoor terraces, floor-to-ceiling windows and doors opening the entire back of this estate directly onto this space. Miami's heat means this outdoor living space gets used every single day. This is not seasonal. This is a lifestyle. And then you walk across that manicured lawn, perfectly maintained, tree-lined with trimmed hedges and royal palms all the way down, and you reach the dock. 135 feet of private super yacht dock sitting directly on Biscayne Bay. What that means is your guests don't just drive to this home. They pull up on their yachts. You throw a gathering at this estate. You can have boats arriving directly from the bay, right to the dock, and walking straight up to the pool terrace. That is a level of access that money alone cannot buy. You need the right island, the right property, and the right 200 feet of waterfront to make that possible. This estate has all three. So let me leave you with this. $170 million, 30,000 square feet, 80,000 square foot lot, 9 bedrooms, 15 bathrooms, 135 foot super yacht dock, a secret library, a private cinema, a spa ensuite, a checkerboard resort pool, and Biscayne Bay as the backyard. Designed by Ferris Rafauli, the same man who built Drake's legendary Toronto estate using nothing but noble materials built to last 100 years. This is not just the most expensive sale in Miami-Dade history. This is the standard. This is what happens when the most powerful person in the world decides to build a home and spares absolutely nothing to get it right. I want to thank you for going through this masterpiece of a home with me today. From the foyer to the library to this dock, every single room in this estate was a privilege to walk through and share with you. If you enjoyed this tour, please make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment below, and tell me what was your favorite room. And subscribe so you never miss a tour like this one. And if you are in the market, if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate and you want someone in your corner who understands this level of the game, give me a call directly at 647-921-1715 or find me on Instagram at Richard.Realtor. I am Richard Addo-Kessie, and I will see you in the next one. God bless.